Let's check in now with Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist for BullseyeOption.com. Hello to you, Alan.
All right, we're getting closer to October. October is where earnings season starts again. So we're kind of in a pause pattern in stocks right now, but still holding around the 4,500 level when it comes to the S&P.
What else can you tell us about what's happening now with the stock market?
All right, today we want to talk about bad enough to buy once again. We looked at all the crude and the energy stocks a couple months ago when things looked not good, but they had great risk reward. The same thing is happening with gold right now. We've got the dollar index topping out, and we could see gold, the commodity itself, which has been between 1,700 and 2,100 for the last few years, holding here at this 1,900 level, which is the midpoint of that trade action.
What's your new trade, Alan?
All right, the way I'm looking to play gold is not with the hard metal itself, but with Barrick Gold, whose stock symbol is GOLD. Now, Barrick's been here between 13 and 19 in the last year. It's 70% off its all-time top from 2011, and it's down about 30% from the 2022 top.
So how are you playing all of this?
All right, we're trading about 16.75 right now in GOLD, Barrick Gold. And like I said, that support base is solid down at 13. We're seeing leverage buying, accumulation of this positioning using options, which is a strong bullish sign. And we're at the 16.5 level, which is the midpoint of this range for the last this last bit of trade. Now, typically, a move above the midpoint of the range, you'll see a pop to the top. Again, the 19 is the range top.
What's your plan?
All right, the way to play, I'm looking at a March option, plenty of time for trade on this. Now, 6 months of time. The March option, I'm looking at the 13 call. The 13 call right now is trading for about 4. It's about 375 in the money, so it's a deep in the money option that's going to act like the stock. And again, you have the right to be long from 13, which is the 1 year low. Trading for about 4, it's going to have an 80 delta, and about 6 months of time, it's only $25 more expensive than the January option. So the idea here is buy enough time to be right.
Thank you as always, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.